Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can automate notifications for task progress in Zoho Project. Let's kick things off by opening up Zoho Project. This step is important because this is where we can set up all our notifications. You'll want to navigate to the Settings tab, then click on Notifications. This helps us because it's where we can start customizing our alert preferences. Now that we've done that, let's set up email notifications. Click on Email Notifications and check the box for task progress. The reason we do this is so you get an email each time there's significant progress on a task. It's a great way to keep an eye on project milestones without having to constantly check the platform. Next up, we're setting up mobile push notifications. To do this, click on Mobile Notifications and again, check the box for task progress. This step is crucial for those of us always on the move, ensuring you're notified of updates no matter where you are. Let me explain why this matters. Automation in project management saves you time and increases productivity. Rather than manually checking task progress, these notifications allow you to focus on other important aspects of your project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project's automated notification system is keeping track of all task progress and sending out alerts based on the conditions you've set. It's like having a personal assistant keeping you updated on all your tasks. Now, you might be wondering, what if I want to change these settings later? Well, the beauty of Zoho Project is its flexibility. You can revisit these settings at any time to adjust your preferences. And that's it. You've now automated notifications for task progress in Zoho Project. By doing this, you're staying on top of your tasks without lifting a finger, freeing up more time for strategic planning and execution. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, automation is key to effective project management. Till next time.